Friends, welcome to my channel. Last video we learned how to set up the React project with the esbuild, and today we are learning how to set up the React project with the TypeScript and esbuild. So let's start. In last video we set up the esbuild using the command line. In this video I will show you other way using the esbuild API will generate the bundler. So okay, let's first set up a TypeScript. So let's first install the dependency. And let's also install the types for React and React DOM. Let's create the TS config. We'll use the most of the default setup only here, and as I told in last video, we are creating the ES module as a bundler for our project. So target we can change to ES next, and also module is EX next. And we can specify here include all the source folder file and exclude our node modules and public folder. And now rename our extension from JSX to TSX, and in package.json start file needs to be changed to TSX. And let's see, and let's run the npm build command, and let's create the bundler. We can test this bundler. I have an inbuilt live server setup in my VS Code. So let's open the index.html file, and we see welcome message rendered successfully. So this way we can use the TypeScript in our React project. It's very easy to set up the TypeScript in React project and use the esbuild. Now in this video we will also learn how to set up the esbuild using the esbuild API. So let me create one file called build.js, and in package.json we can say build product prod, something like this, and we can run command using node build. Okay, and here I'll show you like how to use the esbuild API to create bundle. So Let's import first esbuild. And esbuild have a function called build sync, and there we just need to specify all this flag like this. Entry points, we can say source index.tsx, then we can bundle true, minify true, source map true, you can say format ESM, output directory we can say public, and log level we can say info. Let's save this. Let me remove all the earlier generated bundler. And let's test this setup. So let's run npm run build prod. It's a build PRD. Yeah, so this is the bundler and this is the source map, and it's generate this bundler very fast, and we can see here this bundler and source map is generated, and it's generated using the esbuild API. Let's test this. You can see here welcome message successfully rendered. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe.